Hey you guys, what is up? It is your girl Zay Marie and I'm back with another YouTube video. I am going to be uploading 2 videos every single week from now on. That is my goal. Hold me to it, okay? So in today's video we have a beautiful deep wave with 4x4 closure, y'all. A 4x4 deep wave closure. I had got this from All Love Hair. I found this company on TikTok. I saw somebody advertising this wig and I was like, that's cute. It's giving me Beyonce. It's giving me grown and sexy, okay? Don't mind this shirt, y'all. It's like 3 a.m. in the morning. If you don't know, you know I film very late at night. Don't mind the baby throw up, okay? Like, I needed to get this hair on. I needed to get this video out, okay? So ignore all of that. Get into the hair, okay? First off, as soon as I took this hair out the package, I was like, this is soft. Like, this hair is soft. There's no shedding. Well, there's minimal shedding, okay? So I just had 3 strands of hair come out, okay? So it is minimal shedding, right? But when you run your hands through it, it doesn't get all like natted and poofy and ugly. It just, if it does get a little bit big, it's because like it's curly hair, and when you run your hair through curls, it's gonna get big. Let me see. You can put some water on it if you want. I don't want the wet curl. I like the more bigger dried curl. I did wet this side a little bit, so that's why that side's not as like volume as this side. But again, you guys, this is a 20-inch 4x4 deep wave closure wig. This is in the color P427. So yeah, she's giving me the length that she's supposed to be, 20 inches. I mean, I feel like this is definitely 20 inches. Yeah, very full, very pretty, you guys. She's not glueless though, which is something I don't like. Sometimes I just want to put my wigs on, but you can go ahead and you can use the combs. It does come with 2 combs in the side and 1 in the back, so that's awesome. But y'all, like, it's not really nothing much you can say about this unit. It's just like, you know, it's another one of those, go ahead and cut the lace off, put it on. You don't really have to do much with closures. I wanted like minimal baby hairs, so did baby hairs. You don't have to do the baby hairs if you don't want to do the baby hairs. I wanted a little bit of baby hair, so I did a little bit of baby hair. And also, I lied, this isn't a 20-inch closure wig. This is a 24-inch closure wig, okay? So I don't know why I was like, she's giving me 20. No, because she was actually giving me longer. I was like, wait, how long is it? I'm not going to ramble too much in the intro. I just wanted to let you guys know that this is another beautiful unit from All Love Hair. I will leave the link in the description box along with the discount code as well. Be sure to use that at checkout to get you some money off, because, you know, hair can be very expensive. I buy all my hair myself, so, you know, I already know, okay? So yes, I won't talk too much. Let me know what you want to see in the next videos, you guys. I'm sorry, my intros and outros are always all over. It's because, again, I film so late. I'm just like, I'm ready to go to bed, okay? But I will see you guys in the next video. I will see you guys in the outro, and I'll talk to you guys later. Okay, you guys, so as soon as I take the hair out the package, yeah, she's soft. This hair is very soft. Like, it's almost as like, I don't want to sound like cliche, but like almost as soft as a baby's bottom. Like, this hair is really soft. So this is 24 inches. This is 24 inches deep wave. You guys know I like the closures because they're just very easy to put on. She is a transparent, but you know, this color right here is gonna be easy to blend with my skin. Though this parting right here, this is a perfect part. I like this. I'm very excited to put this on. Y'all already know what time it is. It's like 3 in the morning. I got a baby throw up. Listen, I actually have baby throw up all on my shirt, so I had to turn it around for this video because I'm so freaking tired. I'm just now filming, but it's fine. Don't talk about me. I'm gonna change in the outro. But y'all, let's put this wig on. Okay, so is she big hair friendly? You know, we like to know. She does not come with a glueless strap, so she is not glueless. She does come with three combs, so 2 on the side, 1 in the back, and she does have an adjustable strap, okay, on both sides, so you can tighten her. I'm going to install this very, very fast because y'all know with closures, it's really nothing to. You either got it or you don't, and I just happen to have it. Oh, by Shata. Let me know if you've seen those TikTok. Matrix, I'm the one you're saving. Okay, so she is on. Let me see if I can scoot you guys up a little bit. This is pretty. I can already tell it's supposed to be pretty. Y'all know as soon as I put it on, I'm either like she's pretty or she's not pretty, and she's definitely pretty. This is definitely pretty. Ooh, this, I don't know, like my whole makeup look, this is pretty. Not even on. Okay, so I will say my hair is a little, it's not as laid as I normally would, so she's a little puffy in the back right here. I don't know if you can see a bump. Okay, but let's see, can I make this a little bit more comfortable? Okay, pull this down a little bit. All right. Okay, now let's put her on the tab. Don't know how to act. How you like that? How you like that? She a little bad. It's a little, yeah. Dang, girl. You got me head over heels with it. Hey, danger. You out here dressing to kill with it. But you breaking them necks. I don't see how they can deal with it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Look, burning up like August. Now I don't see no rain. Boy, 'cause she gorgeous. Told her that it ain't no thing. Look at you and it's obvious. Gives me every time, yeah. See it in my eye, yeah. Girls on sight, and she know that. She a little bad. Hit her with the bag, yeah. Put it on the tab. Don't know how to act, yeah. How you like that? How you like that? She a little bad. It's a little, yeah. Shawty, you bad, you know it. I'ma say less, let me show it. You can be my queen if that's fine with you. Baby, I'm just tryna spend time with you. Stepping out with your girlfriend. You got work in the morning. I pull up on you like Jordan. Just to show you gorgeous. God ain't cutting no corners. Let me know what's up. Playing hard to get. Why you acting tough? Got me cracking up. Gets me every time, yeah. I see it in your eyes. Girl, it's on sight, and she know that. She a little bad. Hit her with the bag, yeah. Put it on the tab. Don't know how to act, yeah. How you like that? How you like that? She a little bad. It's a little, yeah.
Yo, this that new Jay Sean?
Hey, yo, chill, it's just a draft. Yeah. She a little bad. Hit her with the bag, yeah. Put it on the tab. Don't know how to act, yeah. How you like that? How you like that? She a little bad. It's a little, yeah. Dang, girl. You got me head over heels with it. Hey, danger. You out here dressing to kill with it. But you breaking them necks. I don't see how they can deal with it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Look, burning up like August. Now I don't see no rain. Boy, 'cause she gorgeous. Told her that it ain't no thing. Look at you and it's obvious. Gives me every time, yeah. See it in my eye, yeah. Girls on sight, and she know that. She a little bad. Hit her with the bag, yeah. Put it on the tab. Don't know how to act, yeah. How you like that? How you like that? She a little bad. It's a little, yeah. Shawty, you bad, you know it. I'ma say less, let me show it. You can be my queen if that's fine with you. Baby, I'm just tryna spend time with you. Stepping out with your girlfriend. You got work in the morning. I pull up on you like Jordan. Just to show you gorgeous.
Okay, guys, so this is the final review, or this is the final look for this install. As you can see, she's very, very easy to put in. With closure wigs, you guys, they're super easy to do. You literally just cut the lace, put it on, style it, and do what you got to do. That's why I love, like, just an easy unit. Like, the hairline was already good, the hair is already styled. You don't have to do much with curly hair. You can either wet it or don't wet it. I don't like to wet my hair because I don't like the wet noodle look. Okay, I like the bigger look. I like the bigger, I just like my hair to have some volume in it, you know. So some people like the wet look, I like the dry look. You guys, these highlights, this is like the perfect highlights. Like, I'm getting like I'm just getting different colors of highlights. I like how it's like, I just like how it came like from the lighter strip to the darker. I don't know, and I just love how the fact that it's not a 1B wig. Okay, so I like this 27 and number 4 going on, and just like, it's really great. The way that they cut this wig is beautiful. Nothing too much to say about this except it's another great beginner friendly wig. I would say very much that this is a very beginner friendly wig. As you can see, like, it's really not hard for me to put my wigs on. So yeah, you know, I'm not gonna say too much except for cop this wig, y'all. I will have the link in the bio. I believe I have a discount for you guys, but yes, cop her. She's a beauty. Okay, and that's it. Okay, so I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. If you stay till the end, let me know what you want to see next, and I will see you guys later.